Good day, grade 9s. We are finishing geometry. So you can read here, this is what you must be able to do up to now. I hope you can all do that and you know what you need to know. So in this video, I'm just going to do an example of what is expected of you and how we apply a lot of this stuff. So let's get to it. So the first example in the worksheet, I'm going to minimize that for you, is that you have to, they give you a triangle ABC and then they give you this information. So first of all, we start with the diagram and I'm going to look at what they give me, which is all of this. And I'm going to study the diagram. So in this diagram, they give you that A, can you see this is an angle ABC, which means A to B to C, which means that you are working with this angle ABC, which is also angle B, is equal to angle ACB. Where is ACB? It is this angle. It goes from there to there. So let's mark it. They are equal angles. It is given. Cross, right. And that's CD. CD is a line. There's 2 points. So it means it's from this point to that point. That line is perpendicular. Look at the sign. What does perpendicular mean? It means it forms a 90-degree angle with line AB. So there I have a 90-degree angle. And because that is 90, that is 90. Also that BE, from B to E, is perpendicular to AC. So it means that this line forms a 90-degree angle with that one. So let's mark that. That one, so I've got 90-degree angles there. That is what they give me. Let's see what they want from us. You have to prove that triangle BEC, look at this sign, is congruent to triangle CDB. And immediately you must think there's 4 ways we can prove it. How can we prove it? We can use side, side, side. We can use side, angle, side. We can use angle, angle, side. Oh, sorry about that. And we can use 90 degrees, hypotenuse, and a side. So let's see, which of these 4 things can we use to prove that these 2 triangles are congruent? So I want to mark the triangles so that you can see them clearly. So the triangles is BEC, so it means it's from B to E to C, so it means I'm working with this triangle, and CDB, which means it is from C to D to B. Okay, it's these 2 triangles. So what can I say about this? I know from what they've given me that I've got a 90-degree angle there and there. What else have I got? I've got a side that is common. They both share side BC. Can you see that? And then also, voila, I've got these angles. Angle B is an angle of DBC, and angle C is an angle of ECB or EBC. Angle, angle, side. So let's write that. I think I can prove that. So for number A, we're going to say in triangle BEC and triangle CDB, and let's write everything that is equal. angle D1. Can you see that? That angle? Angle D1 is equal to angle E1. And how do I know that? Because it's given the perpendicular lines, and you can even say they are equal to 90. And the reason I know that is because they told me so, so it is given. So there I've got that first statement. What else can I say? I have a side, BC, that is common to both. So let's say that BC equal to BC, and that is just a common side. So I write common. And then I also, that is given is that this angle B in this triangle BDC is equal to angle C in ECB. So I'm going to say angle B equals angle C. And that's also given. So yeah, I didn't really have to do much. I just had to look. Because now I've got an angle and an angle and a side. Which condition is that? Angle, angle, side. Therefore I can say triangle BEC is congruent to triangle CDB. And you always have to give a reason, which means you have an angle and the angle and the side. So that is it for A. Done and dusted. So let's look at B. You have to prove that CE is equal to BD. Are they equal? What did we just prove? We proved that this triangle is congruent to that one. What does congruent mean? That everything, all the corresponding sides and all the corresponding angles are equal. So from congruency, I can say that this side from D to B must be equal to BC. So therefore for B, I can just answer the question and say, but CE is definitely equal to BD. And the reason is its corresponding sides is, excuse my handwriting, this is a struggle, corresponding sides of congruent triangle. Question answer sorted, we are done with E. So let's look at the last part. C, I have to say, you have to prove that triangle DBT is congruent. So let's just look at DBT. Let's use another color here. I've got D, B, T, which makes this one. Can you see it? So it's going to be this triangle congruent to ECT, which is this one. Yeah. So let's see what is equal there. We've just said that we have a side there. We have a 90-degree angle. What else have we got? Oh, we've got vertically opposite angles here as well. They are equal. So I've got an angle and an angle and a side again. Can you see that? So I can just use that. So let's summarize it with green. Again, we're going to say in triangle DBT and triangle ECT. We've got once again angle B1 equal to angle E1. And you have to say this every time, and it is given. Secondly, we have that BB or BD equals CE. And we proved that. And you can just say proved. We already said in the previous statement why that is true. And then we have angle T1 equal to angle T3. And the reason is they are vertically opposite angles. So yeah, I've got an angle, a side, and an angle. That's enough. Therefore, I can say triangle BBT congruent to triangle ECG, and my reason is angle, side. Fantastic. Right, so the last part is B1 equal to C1, angle B1 equal to angle C1. So where is angle B1? Let's change colors again. And so this is angle B1, yeah? And we have to prove that it is equal to C1. And now look at this angle. It's part of triangle EBC or BEC. Can you see that? And triangle C1 is part of triangle ECB or BDC. And what did we do in the first one? We proved that BEC is congruent to CDB, which means that all corresponding angles in these two are equal. So for number D, we just answer the question again, and we are going to say angle B1 is equal to angle C1, and the reason is our corresponding angles this time of congruent triangle. That is the end of that, and it was much easier than it looked. Thank you.